students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is it possible to connect a refrigerator rated 1320 watt to a domestic circuit of 220 volt with a electric fuse rated 5 ampere? So what will happen if we connect a refrigerator in a domestic circuit? It will generate a current. If that current is higher than the rated fuse, if that current is higher than this 5 ampere current, then it will melt the fuse, and if it is less, then this fuse will work properly. So let's try to find the current in the circuits if refrigerator will connect with the domestic circuit. So one formula we know that power is equals to V into I, where V is voltage and I is current. So current will be power divided by voltage. Now power is given, voltage is given. So let's try to find how much current this refrigerator will take when it is connected in a domestic circuit. So 1320 divided by 220, 0 and 0 will cancel out. This is 11 2s are 11, 12s are 2 1s are and 2 6s are. So current in the circuit is 6 ampere. Current in the circuit is 6 ampere, but this circuit has a fuse which is rated as a 5 ampere. So if 6 ampere current will pass, so what will happen? Heat will generate in a fuse. Heat formula we know. Heat is equals to I square RT. So if more current, more heat. So if more current is there, more heat will generate. This heat will melt the fuse. If the fuse is melted, then circuit will break and current will stop passing, right? So we don't want that. That's why the fuse are rated at, that's why this fuse is rated as 5 ampere. Means if you will pass a current more than 5 ampere, the fuse will melt. So we are not supposed to pass current more than 5 ampere. So this circuit is not possible. Now how to write this question in your exams? So we'll write in the exam in such a way, like power is given as 320, voltage is given as 220, and we'll try to find the current due to this voltage and power. So we have find the current of 6 ampere. Now no, it is not possible to connect this refrigerator with a domestic circuit. Why? Because of this power and this 220 voltage, the current generated is 6 ampere, but the electric fuse is rated as 5 ampere. So if 6 ampere current will pass, what will happen? Fuse will melt and circuit will break. That's why it is not possible. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.